Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out this Volkswagen Golf. It has some damage on the door which you cannot see right now due to the fact that the color is this silver slash gray, and also the type of the damage. I show you. You can see the damaged part over there and a bit higher up, but from this angle you cannot really see the one higher up, somewhere like there. What happened is that there was one of these magnetic stickers, there you go, much better, magnetic stickers on the car, and when it was removed, for some reason it left this mark. So now we are going to try two methods. I mean, well, we try one. If it works, cool. If not, then we try a second one and we will see what can we do with it. So let's kick it. Sorry for the lights. I'm in the garage right now because outside the temperature is rather cold. So now I decided to be in the garage. It's much warmer here. So I'm going to clean the door in a first step with a waterless wash, and then we go ahead and we check how is it going. let's have a look at this damage, if it disappeared. So far so good. I mean, I still can see a little bit, but it's considerably less than it used to be. Okay, anyway, let's wait a bit. I just let it cool down completely, and then we have a look again.
A little later.
It cooled down completely, but not like it was boiling hot. Now we are going to check out the results with two different types of light sources in the garage, with the lights on, the garage lights on, and then with three different light sources in the dark. Well, as far as I can tell, it disappeared completely. However, I'm going to check it out tomorrow morning at the natural light outside, and we will see what's the result. Of course, I'm going to show you. However, as you might have spotted, there is like another, let's say, damage or mark over here, because this car used to be a cab or a taxi, and yeah, with the black light I can clearly see the sign. I will show it again and we will try to figure out what to do with. At the moment, nothing is visible here with the bare eye, nothing is visible with the normal LED light, only with the black light. So, interesting.
Flashback.
Party time! Woo! The audition.
End of Flashback.
Well, the original damage disappeared and the other one not. But anyway, now I'm just going to wait till tomorrow. But of course, for you, it's coming in a couple of seconds. And going to have a look at the natural light in the morning, if it's going to be visible at all or not. Anywho, catch you in a mo. Well, even at the natural light, it seems like it all disappeared. So, what else to say? Nothing further, I suppose. So that's about this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you are not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.